A little bit by yourself first.
Nora. Thank you, Lord, for giving us food. Thank you.
Get a bigger one than us.
You guys have to sing it with her, guys.
Okay. Sitting today. No.
I'm taking a video.
Okay, yeah. I mean, like you can do it.
Oh no, it's fine. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. Is anyone gonna sing?
Sitting today. On the inside.
Isn't it great? Saying thanks to God, we'll never hesitate. Saying we will. Thank you, boom.
Thank you, Lord,
for giving us food. Thank you, Lord, for giving us food. For the food we eat and the friends we meet. Thank you, Lord, for giving us food.